we're having our New Year celebration with my best friend. So I hope you also were able to not only celebrate with your family, but your best friend is also a family. And maybe this is going to be the last Christmas we will have together, or New Year, because I'm going and moving to migrate to another country abroad. So we're catching up for the New Year, because the New Year here in our area was blackout from 10 in the evening of December 31 to 9 in the morning of January 1. So thank you. As you see, we are in the province, and you can hear the listening, the tweeting of the birds around us. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you're learning from my Feng Shui playlist. Go to my Feng Shui playlist. Thank you, and I hope you will subscribe. Bye.